Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to turn off Samsung Galaxy S20, and the method is the same also for 20 Plus and 20 Ultra. So let's do it. So to do that we have two methods, and the first method is to swipe, and here we have the power off button. Just press on that, and then just press the power off. And the second method is to push and hold together the volume down and the power button like this, and this is the power off icon. Just press on that and again, and now your phone will turn off. So this was my short tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.